Pre, ang lupit ng gimmick natin kagabi. Oo nga, sinabi yung chick na kilala natin sa bar, si Madonna. Sexy. Kamukha niya si Ivan Alawi. Homeboys, sinagot na niya ako. Shota ako na siya. Ako din, sinagot niya. Girlfriend ko na din siya. Damn, homeboys. Paano yan? Ako din, sinagot niya. Pati ikaw, OJ3, may the best man win na lang. Anong ibig mo sabihin? Contest tayo? It is what it is, OJ2. Umpisa na natin. Sige, pagalingan tayo sa rap skills. Piece of cake, yo. Sisiw lang yan. Umpisahan ko na. I'm the newest addition in hip-hop. It's my destiny and I won't shut up. My ass is from Manila, Philippines. That's where I grew up. And if you think somebody from Asia can be an MC, well, suck you. Just wait till you see. Pwede na. OJ2, ikaw naman. Ito mangalan nyo. What you know about life in the ghetto? I've been there, still there, and always be there. Hustling is a part of my life now. Tell me, is it really fair? Come on, home, you saw me when I was a teenager. With nothing classy to wear, no Nike, Fubu, Timberland, no rock to wear. Back then I was so goddamn broke. The only thing I could buy was a Coca-Cola Coke. Yeah, mahusay kayo, OJ1, OJ2, pero mas magaling ako. Do you have a Jordan? Do you know how to wear one? RPG gonna show you how it's done. Listen up, good, this came from the hood. I'll tell you all about it like a good wood should. I'll tell you all about it. I'll tell you all about it. I'll tell you all about it. Mukhang tabla tayo sa rapping ah. Oo, tama ka. Mas mabuti pa, ibahin natin. Beatboxing naman. Beatboxing, magaling din ako dyan. Lalo na ako. Ikaw na mauna, OG1. Okay. Ito na. Yo. Ako naman. My turn. Lahat tayo magaling. Yo. Hold up. Babae lang yan. Huwag na natin pagawa yan. Damn right, boy. Lagi natin tandaan, we are the triple OGs. Triple OGs for life. Mahirap po makita ng tunay na kaibigan o homeboys. Kaya kung meron kayo, tratuhin niyo sila na maayos at walang traidoran.